Hi, this is Patty D. Priest, and welcome to Educate Academy, brought to you by the Kentucky Academy of Technology Education, otherwise known as CATE. Today we're going to be looking at bookmarks in Google Chrome. You'll see that I have a new tab open, and I also am showing my Bookmarks Bar across the bottom here, underneath my Omnibar, where I can search for websites and things. So with the Bookmarks Bar, it allows you to pin or bookmark things that you use a lot. The rest of my bookmarks I put in my other bookmarks, but these are things that I tend to have quick access to. If you're not seeing the Bookmarks Bar, you need to come over here to your three dots, your More menu, and go to Bookmarks, and you will show the Bookmarks Bar here. That will bring it up. It is also where, by putting that up there, you'll have your apps shortcut that's automatically added, which takes you to the web store and other places. Okay, so I can click on the star, and you'll see that I have Murray State University. If you want to edit the name, you can change it there. I could just put MSU if I wanted to. Down below, it has the folder that I used last, and so I can click here to change folders. These are some of the folders that I have used to add bookmarks to recently. I can also add it here to the Bookmarks Bar, which we'll do in just a minute. I can put it in the other bookmarks folder, or I can choose another folder here, and it's going to open up, and I can see that I have a EdTech folder with lots of subfolders. And then when I get down, I have other other folders as well. If I need a new folder, I can create it here. And so I would just pick the folder that I want it to be in, and let's say that I want it here at Murray State, and I would just click Save. The next time that I want to access that website, if I don't know the link, then I can come over here to Other Bookmarks, and I can see my bookmarks. I can go across and go to Murray State University to access it. So what if I want to add it to the actual Bookmarks Bar? What I would do in that case is I would click here, and I would go down here to Bookmarks Bar, put it as I want it to be. I'm going to change this since the Bookmarks Bar doesn't have a lot of room on it. I'm actually going to put MSU, and I'm going to say Done. Notice it puts the little favicon or icon there. So if I know that that's the Murray State icon, I could even leave off MSU and still find and access that shortcut. If I want to edit one that is already on here, then I can come over here. Let's say I want to edit this. I can right click on it and click on Edit. From here, I can say I want to get rid of all of this and leave just that and click Save. And so when you get a lot of things on here, some people, because they know the little icons that go with it, will actually take out the name and just leave the icon. But you'll notice an issue here. The Murray State site and the Team Dynamics site both have the same little icons, as does the COEHS and the School of Nursing shortcut. They both have the same one as well. So you got to be careful with that. But if it's a unique and recognizable, let's say it's a Google Drive or a Google Docs or something like that, each one is unique. You can then put them up there, get rid of the words, and know exactly what that is. If I want to remove something from the Bookmarks Bar, I can right click on it, and I just go here and delete. Notice my other options are I can open it in a new tab, in a new window, in an incognito window, which we'll talk about in the next lesson. I can cut and copy that. I can add a page, and I've got several different things that I can do. Most of the things I do is I either edit it, or I delete it, or I actually open it. That's really what I do with my bookmarks. Okay, also notice over here on my More menu, my three-dot menu, I can go to Bookmarks here, and I do have a Bookmarks Manager. When I open the Bookmarks Manager, it's going to open a new tab, and here is where I can actually go in and organize things. I can weed things out. I can go through, maybe move things to other locations. These are the things that are on my Bookmarks Bar. When I go to other bookmarks, I'm going to actually see some other things here, and then I can see the folders and actually edit those below. Just so you know, when you go into Google Chrome on your phone, you probably are not going to see the Bookmarks bar, but you can still get to your bookmarks from within Chrome. Thank you for watching and have a great day.